Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 movers cheap Sylvester, long distance movers near me. We can transport your stuff safely locally within a state and beyond state lines. We have a good working relationship with the federal and local agencies in charge of the relocation. We also have insurance coverage in place to cover any risk liabilities that may arise during the move. Our careful movers and drivers will ensure that your possessions arrive at their location without being damaged or lost. Our services are reasonably priced, and we never take advantage of our customers. A local move is usually far less expensive than a long-distance move. It's the same with us. Our local moving charges are very reasonable, ranging between $30 and $40 an hour. Our hardworking, honest, and licensed movers will give you excellent value for your money. We are very familiar with congested streets and bustling cities, so you can rest assured that your items will arrive securely and on time. Our staff of local movers is the best in the business, and they're committed to planning out the move and making the best decisions possible. You can also ask us about many satisfied clients, and we'll be happy to share their experiences with you. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Sylvester moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.